Ever pondered about how the stock market operates? Or how people make money from buying and selling stocks? Well, buckle up because today we're unraveling the mysteries of the stock market. Imagine the stock market as a bustling marketplace. Not unlike a farmer's market, but instead of fruits, vegetables, or artisan bread, traders deal in shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a piece of that company, a slice of its assets and profits. Now, you might wonder, what determines the cost of this piece? This brings us to a key term: stock price. The stock price is the current value of one share in a company. It's a bit like a seesaw, constantly swinging up and down based on factors like supply and demand, company performance, and the economic climate. Another term you'll come across is market capitalization, or market cap for short. Picture it as the total worth of a company, calculated by multiplying the stock price by the total number of shares outstanding. In simpler terms, it's like pricing the entire farmer's market based on the cost of one apple and the total number of apples available. Now let's clarify a common confusion: the difference between stocks and bonds. While they both are forms of investment, stocks give you ownership in a company, whereas bonds are more like an IOU issued by companies or governments, which they promise to pay back with interest. As a newcomer to the stock market, remember this: the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires diligence, research, and a keen eye for trends. Diversification, or spreading your investments across different types of stocks, can also help mitigate risks. It's like not putting all your apples in one basket. So there you have it, a crash course in understanding the stock market. We've covered the basics like stock price and market capitalization, clarified the difference between stocks and bonds, and highlighted the importance of research, diversification, and staying informed. Investing in the stock market may seem daunting, but with knowledge and patience, it can be a fruitful endeavor. Until next time, keep learning and keep investing.